Good morning, ladies and gents, boys and girls, young and old. Welcome back to another fishing video. Today I'm at Badin Lake. It's been a while since I've been here. It's a beautiful day to be on the water. I think the last time I was here was probably like last fall, so I want to say maybe 4 months ago. I have no idea what these fish are doing. We'll get on the water, see what the temperature is. Hopefully they're probably moving up on beds. It should be on bed by now, so we'll figure something out. All right, guys. Tag along, see what I get into, see if we can, you know, catch some fish. Hopefully we don't skunk. So a cold front came through Sunday. Today is Wednesday. These are not very ideal conditions to fish, but it's my day off and I'll take whatever I can. Today's a little chilly right now. I think when I left the house, the temperature was around like 43-ish. It's supposed to get up to about 60 today. So, why is it not working? Regardless, we're gonna try to make something work. Alright, let's head out. And just like that, yeah, right at the boat launch right here, there is fish all over me. Bait fish, some big ones too, so it might even be bass. We're gonna start right here. There's no need to make no big runs. Let's go with a little top water action here. They don't want this. Let's see if they want this. Let's move on. There we go. Did not even feel that bite. Man, it's a little tiny dink, but we will take him. Hey man, where are your big brothers at? Alright dude, that was pretty deep, so don't die. Good job. You done with that dock? It's a good size one. I'm not even sure what those sirens are, but thank you, bud. bite. Come on, buddy, give up. It's a good size one. Number 3, guys. Chunky little dude. Oh my gosh. That was a giant. It's always the big one that you lose. That dude was definitely pretty decent. Saw his head. It looked about maybe 3-4 pounds. Might be even a little bigger. Let's move on out of here. All right, new spot. Oh, come on, take it. That's a bite. It's been forever since I got a bite. Get up in here. Little dink. What was this, number 4? Probably. Thank you, sir. Alright, it's about 10:30 right now. It's been rough all morning. I think that I'm gonna head back to the spot where I caught those 3 and just work those areas really well. I think these fish are actually either spawning or getting ready to spawn. This cold front came through and just kind of like put them in a weird funk. Those 3 that I caught, it's either I threw it right on top of their heads or on their beds and they ate it. But yeah, we're just gonna work those area really well. I'm not even gonna waste my time trying to find fish. I think they're just back over there. So we'll head back over there. See you guys in a minute. Hopefully we can land a few more. That was the one that bit this morning, I think. Definitely on the bed, I think. to be the same one, dude. Yeah. This morning I had a bite right there. He just wouldn't take it. My front wasn't recording. Dang. Oh yeah, by the way, I did find my camera. And so I got two now. Thank you, bud. Got the one in the front and the one in the back. It's getting hot. Gonna have to try some more layers here. Oh. On that wall, there's a lot of activity down there too. This is what, number 6? He's fat and chunky. Thank you, bud. Oh man, jeez, you are strong, bro. Come on. Here's another good one. Check that out. It's definitely on the bed. 2 pounds right here. Thank you, sir. You're free. Hello?
Hey.
Huh?
Huh?
Hey, what's up?
Where are you?
I'm at the lake.
Are you gonna come home?
Yeah, man.
When?
I'm working my way back now.
Okay. What time do you think you'll be home by?
Say about maybe 40 minutes.
Oh.
I gotta get back to the boat launch and then load up all my stuff, and then it takes about 30 minutes to get back.
Okay.
Why, you guys ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be a long ride.
Yeah.
All right then.
Uh-huh.
I'll see you in a bit.
I'll see ya.
All right, bye. All right, guys, that was my family calling. I'm actually gonna take a road trip. We're heading up north to Rhode Island to my grandfather's funeral. But I gotta get out of the water, head home, and then they say that they got everything packed up, so I'm just gonna head home and start driving up that way. All right, guys, not a bad day after all. I mean, I did struggle for a little bit there, but managed to find, I think, 7 of them. Not big size, but I'll take them. Until next time, you guys, y'all take it easy and peace out.